Hello students, in this video we are quickly taking overview of our Master of Business Administration second year admission process. Hope you all have undergone through this syllabus. Out of which we are going to deal with semester 3 and semester 4 because it is a second year of Master of Business Administration. For semester 3 there are two compulsory papers and student has to choose two electives out of 6 electives. Which are those 6 electives? Human resource management, financial management, production and operations management, marketing management, international business and hospitality management. Based upon that, let us consider this chart shown on your screen. Our program code is 7819 MBA CBCS distance mode program semester 3. For this purpose, each and every student has to understand the important thing is there is a combination of subjects. Which are those combination? One is compulsory part, whereas other is elective part. Shivaji University's policy regarding elective as far as MBA distance mode is concerned, University provides dual elective policy. That means student has to select two electives out of 6. For semester 3, these are two compulsory papers. One is corporate policy and strategic management, followed by its course code shown on your screen. Second is Indian ethos and business ethics. These two are compulsory one. All has to select this subject, or you might experience that while filling it online for second year admission process, it will be already in selected manner. So student need not to select it again. By default, system has selected this compulsory paper. Which subject should student get selected while applying for second year admission process? The list of those are shown on your screen. That is elective 1 marketing management, followed by 3 papers. We are talking about semester 3. Elective 2 human resource management, followed by 3 papers. Financial management, elective 3, followed by 3 papers. Production and operations management, elective 4, followed by 3 papers. Fifth elective is international business, followed by again 3 papers. And last elective, that is elective number 6, hospitality management, again backed up with 3 papers. Student, remember, being a student of MBA, semester has a total count of 8 subjects, out of which semester 3 has 2 compulsory subjects and you have to choose any 2 electives. For example, suppose I want to keep my 2 electives as marketing management and human resource management. So how much paper are there? 3 papers of marketing management, whereas 3 papers of human resource management. These 3 threes are 6 and compulsory 2. That means total 8 subject. Hope you understood the scheme of compulsory and elective courses for semester 3 of MBA CBCS distance mode program. Similarly, let's have a short glance over the semester 4 subjects. Here, out of 8 subjects, 4 subjects are compulsory. Which are those? Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the management guru, entrepreneurship and project management, international business, and last is project report and viva. For this, 50% is for your internal marks and 50% mark are for your external evaluation for project report and viva. Elective 1 marketing management has another 2 subjects. Human resource management having another 2 subjects. Each and every elective has 2 subjects, sub papers you may say. So due to dual elective policy, total 4 subjects along with 4 compulsory subjects, that means total 8 subjects for semester 4. Student has to select any 2 elective out of 6. For both semesters, student have to select same electives. While filling the online application form for second year admission, you might experience that you only has to select electives for semester 3. Automatically system will select the concerned subject for semester 4. So you need not to select your electives and subsequent papers for semester number 4. By default, system after recognizing your selection of semester 3, similarly system will allocate a same paper having same electives for semester number 4. So you all have to select your elective papers for semester 3 very carefully. And finally, remember, you must have select total 8 subjects per semester. Otherwise, error may occur or your selection of courses process will not be get concluded. Finally, remember, all this process is online mode process. You have to fill the admission form online along with its necessary payment. How much is the payment? If student is all clear student, that means student has cleared semester 1 as well as semester 2. For this case, student has to pay 24,425. The detailed distribution has been shown on your screen. This is applicable to all those students who have cleared their first year of MBA without any backlog. That means all clear students has to pay this much amount to get admitted for second year. Similarly, those who have 80 KT as a remark on their result sheet, that means 1 to 4 subjects are remaining irrespective of semester. Some have subject remaining from semester 1, some may from semester 2. Irrespective of semester 1 or 2 of MBA part 1, 1 to 4 subjects are remaining. The result sheet will show as fail-80 KT. If you check your result, then at the bottom of that result will show as fail 80 KT. Also, those students are applicable or eligible to take admission to second year under the heading of 80 KT, that means allowed to keep term. Those has to pay additional 375 rupees fee as exam fee for 80 KT subject. That subject might vary from 1 subject to 4 subject. And total 80 KT student has to pay fees of rupees 24,800 for getting admitted into the MBA distance mode part 2. Whereas those students who have get failed in their first year of MBA, that means clear cut remark on their result as a fail, not pass, not fail etiquette, only fail. That means there are two cases. Case 1 is student is failed in 5 to 8 subject, and case 2 is student is failed in 9 to 16 subject. Remember, these are the fail category student or a repeated student are not allowed to take admission into the second year of distance mode MBA unless and until they are not getting cleared in all the failed subject, or at least they have to remain 4 subjects being applicable or being eligible for etiquette category. Unless and until they are not going to clear the said subjects, they are not allowed to enter for MBA part 2. So for case 1, student is failed in 5 to 8 subject, they have to pay 1890 rupees fee and will applicable for the only exam purpose. They are not getting allowed to take admission for second year MBA. And case 2 is student is failed in 9 to 16 subjects. They have to pay 2635 rupees online to appear for repeater exam. Remember once again, fail or repeater category student are not allowed to take admission to second year unless and until they are not get cleared into all or remaining 4 subjects to eligible to take admission for second year MBA under at least etiquette category. All this system has been complete on online portal of Shivaji University. Remember, don't try form filling or payment on your mobile phones. Try to use desktop, laptop for the admission process. Hope you understood the subject, selection of a subject, nature of electives, dual elective policy of Shivaji University, and various patterns of payment for various categories of student as far as pass, fail or etiquette type is concerned. Thank you.